Are you tired of eating that same boring baked potato? Well, today I'm here to level up your baked potato recipe, okay? It is a loaded chicken baked potato. When I tell you this is so good, it's so flavorful, so fluffy and cheesy at the same time. Let me not talk too much. Let's jump right in. To begin, I'm using one russet potato. Make sure you wash it, scrub it, First thing you're going to do, grab you a fork and poke the potato just like this. This will prevent the potato from exploding in your oven. Yes, that happens sometimes. Once you're done, you are going to drop a little bit of oil all over the potato. Now you're going to rub that in just like so, and then you're going in with some salt. What the salt does, it pretty much help the potato soak up all that moisture in there to keep the potato nice and fluffy, okay? So lots of salt, it's not gonna make it salty. Now you're going to wrap it up very tightly, just like so. Now I'm going to bake it on 400 for about 40 minutes to an hour. Now we are going to start by seasoning our chicken. So I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken thighs here because we're using only 1 potato, so you don't need that much protein. And I'm going to pat it dry, of course. Now we're just going to dice our chicken into small pieces, just like this. Now you're going to drizzle some olive oil all over your chicken, mix it up together. Now I'm using my Cajun Crush seasoning. However, you can use any all-purpose seasoning that you have. I'm using a little bit of it, the rest I'll add it to the sauce. Just mix it up together, just like this. This seasoning is so flavorful, adds so much flavor to your protein. Any meat, chicken, fish, pork, it's perfect. And there you go, nice and seasoned. Let's pan sear it. I have my skillet on medium-high heat. Let me drizzle some olive oil. Just add that in there, doesn't matter. And then we're going in with the chicken. We're going to pan sear the chicken until it's nice and golden brown and beautiful. And I already smell the aroma. That seasoning is perfect. And if you already purchased the seasoning on my website, let me know how you like it, what you've been cooking with it in the comments. But yeah, let's cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes, then we'll flip them over. It is time to remove our chicken. Looking good, smelling good. I'm just going to set it aside for now so we can make that delicious creamy Cajun sauce. Y'all gonna see, it's gonna be so good. This is how we're looking. Beautiful. In the same skillet, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted, okay? Keep that in mind. And also I'm going in with some bell peppers and onion, just a little bit. And make sure you really cook the bell peppers and onion. I like to saute it first and then add my garlic after. Now we're going in with the garlic. This is about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Love the aroma of garlic. It's just smells so good. Okay, lately I've been adding my seasoning to the butter to kind of wake up the seasoning a little bit, and then I go ahead and add my heavy whipping cream. This sauce is gold. So good. And that's all I have to add. I don't have to add any other seasoning, just that Cajun Crush with a little bit of salt because it's very low sodium. So if you don't like salty seasoning, it's perfect for you. And also I'm going in with some cream cheese to make it very creamy. This is creamy more than cheesy, okay? We'll add some cheese later, but I like it creamy. And if you taste it at this point, you see that it needs a little bit more salt, don't add it yet. Allow it to reduce. As it reducing, you're gonna taste the salt, okay? Now, do you see how creamy this is? That's the consistency we want, okay? Now let's grab that potato from the oven. Guys, the potato is done baking. Let me show you guys what we're gonna do with it next. It took about an hour to bake, so Come here, let me show you. We're going to open it. It's very hot, so be careful, okay, when you open this. Smoking hot, as you can see. So I like to go ahead and cut the top portion of the potato, just like so. It's very hot, like I said. Perfect. And I like to scoop. Grab a fork. I like to scoop that part in a bowl. Just scoop it out. The flesh of the potato as well. Try not to break it because we're going to put the, once we're done with it, we're gonna put it back in there so we can make it look presentable. So just remove the flesh. So you should have something like this once you're done. To this, I like to mash it a bit. So to this, I like to add a little bit of that sauce, actually a lot of it, not a little bit. And then I like to go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese as well. And then just mix it up together. And then we're going to put it back. Oh, it smells so good already. We're going to put it back in here, okay? In this potato shell. And you can't forget about the chicken, okay? So add some of that chicken in there, or you can just mix it, honestly. There's no right way to do this. And I'm just gonna scoop more of that potato flesh right on top. This looks so good. You can literally put this on a plate and eat it. But add some more of that chicken bit all over the potato. You'll see where I'm going with this. Loaded big potato. Sauce on top. I like it looking very loaded, okay? And I'm going to add a little bit more chicken and cheese too. This looks so good. And that's pretty much it. Look how loaded. Some cheese on top. And we baking this, okay? So let's see how good this looks. Let's bake it until the cheese is nice and ooey gooey. Shouldn't take long at all. About 5 minutes on 400. Let's do it. Y'all, look at this beauty right here. Guess what I'm about to do? Add some more Cajun on top. You know, not too much, just a little. And that's it. All right, guys, let's try this absolutely loaded baked potato, okay? Let's try it. I literally just got a bright idea. I have to make a mashed potato just like this, okay? It's so good, so good. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this video and actually make this, because if you're looking for a new baked potato recipe, this is it. I'm talking about 20 out of 10. Must try, okay? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and be sure to give this video a like for me. That's how you're gonna support your girl, by just tap the like button. Let your girl know you like these type of recipes so I can make more. And also, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.